Okay, welcome back, folks. We're looking at question 1C, and in this particular question, we need to work out the angle C, which is this lovely angle over here. Okay, now, first of all, we need to label our diagram. So, opposite our angle is called the opposite. That's the first thing that we label. And then we label opposite the right angle, which is always the hypotenuse. And the leftover side is the adjacent, which is the 9. Okay, so in this particular question, we have to see what the question is linked by. So we know the opposite, and we also know the adjacent, and we want to work out the angle. So the O and the A are connected, so we get the sound OA, which comes from TOA. Now we formulate our formula triangle with a nice lovely nice big one. Lovely. Okay, let's get out of the game plan. So let's fill it in. So remember this tan of the angle. So T of the angle and O and A. So that's how we interpret the trigonometrical ratio of tan. Now let's have a look at what we know. So we know the opposite and we know the adjacent, but we don't know the angle. So we need to get our finger or thumb and cover up the tan of the angle and write that down. So tan of the angle is equal to the opposite. This line is divide the adjacent. So the opposite divided by the adjacent. Now, if we look at our question, we don't want to work at the tan of C, we want to work at just the angle itself. Now this angle symbol here, we can replace it back with the C really, because tan of the C value. So I'm just going to get my rubber out here. I'm just going to rub off this for the moment and put C in there in place, because it means the same thing. That's what we're referring to. So let's get hold of my pen again, my brush. So tan of the angle C is equal to this. Now, in my question, we don't want to work out tan of C, we want to work out just C. So we need to grab the tan by the scuff of the neck and throw it over. It was a tan, it becomes a tan minus 1, which is called the inverse tan of whatever's on the right hand side. So it's called rearranging our equation and making C the subject. So now we got C exactly how we want it. What we need to do next now is put in the values. So C is equal to tan to the minus 1, which is inverse tan. The opposite value is 6, so that goes on top. The adjacent value is 9, which goes on the bottom. And then we grab our trusty calculator. We type shift tan. So you should have tan to the minus 1 displayed on the calculator. It gives you a free bracket. Then you put the fraction button, 6, replay, 9, replay, and then close the bracket. And now what's on the calculator display matches what's on our page. And we press the equal button, and that gives us an answer of 33.690. So C equals 33.690, blah, 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 blah. Now this is the angle. Now, we don't normally need to know the angle to 2 or 3 decimal places. 1 decimal place is normally more than sufficient. So we're going to stop here. We look at the next number, 9. That's telling me to add 1 to the 6. So my final answer will be C is equal to 33.7 degrees, because we're measuring angles. And that's the end of our video. Thank you for being with us.